Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to connect Xiaomi AirDots 2 with your TCL 20 Pro. Firstly, you need to open case for your AirDots and press and hold to turn on. So press and hold like this, and when indicator white are blinking like this one. And now need to open Bluetooth settings on your TCL. Firstly, turn on Bluetooth, and next one, click pair new device here. Wait until available device AirDots will be here and press it. Confirm pair with Redmi AirDots, click allow and pair. And that's it. Now we connect our Xiaomi AirDots 2 with TCL 20 Pro. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.